Backing up your Samsung phone is essential to protect your data from potential device issues, or when switching to a new phone. In this video, we'll explore the top 11 reliable Samsung backup software options, known for their efficiency and ease of use. Let's dive in. Part 1. Top 2 Best Samsung Backup Software. 1.1 Mobican Android Backup and Restore. Mobican Backup Manager for Android is an outstanding Android backup and restore program for PC that can complete the Samsung backup process in one click. Step 1. Install the software on your computer and connect your Samsung phone via USB or Wi-Fi. If prompted, tap OK to allow USB debugging and enable it manually. You'll then see the main interface. Step 2. Choose the backup option from the main interface, and the program will access your phone and data. All data types that can be backed up are listed here. Just choose the ones you'd like to backup, and customize an output folder to save the backup data. Step 3. After all the operations above, you can simply tap on the Backup button to proceed. During the backup process, you cannot disconnect your device. The program will notify you when the backup is finished. 1.2 Mobican Assistant for Android. Mobican Assistant for Android is a highly regarded Samsung phone backup software that allows you to easily back up files from your Samsung phone to your computer. Step 1. Download the Assistant for Android program to the computer, and then launch it. Connect your Samsung phone to the computer with a USB cable. Within a few seconds or instantly, the Samsung Galaxy Backup and Restore software will recognize the connected device. Step 2. Click the Super Toolkit option on the top menu. Then, you will see there is a backup option. Just click it, and all the contents on your Samsung Galaxy that can be backed up are listed here. Step 3. Backup with one click. Select the files that you want, and then proceed to click on Backup. It is easy to reap the benefits that Mobican Assistant for Android has to offer. Part 2. Other 9 Samsung Backup Applications. 2.1 Samsung Cloud. Samsung Cloud is a built-in backup option used by millions of users. It supports multiple devices for easy data transfer and performs backups quickly and securely. 2.2 SmartThings Find. SmartThings Find is a Samsung feature designed to help users locate lost or misplaced Galaxy devices, including phones, tablets, watches, and earbuds. 2.3 Samsung Smart Switch. As a reliable Samsung backup software for PC, Smart Switch is capable of backing up bookmarks, alarms, videos, photos, messages, schedules, memos, and contacts. 2.4 Samsung Auto Backup. Samsung Auto Backup is a smart switch alternative designed for Windows operating systems, often bundled with Samsung external hard drives for scheduled, instant backups of device contents. 2.5 Google Drive. Google Drive is a commonly used Samsung backup program that supports multiple operating systems, allowing easy file transfers between devices and data sharing. 2.6 Moborobo. Moborobo is an effective Samsung auto backup software for Windows 7, 8, 10, 11, praised by users for backing up applications, call logs, photos, music, calendar entries, videos, and messages. 2.7 Paragon Backup and Recovery. As a Moborobo substitute, Paragon Backup and Recovery is primarily designed for Windows, offering robust features for protecting data, including that from Samsung devices. 2.8 Grams Cloud Backup. G-Cloud Backup is a Samsung Android phone app perfect for users who want to store files in the cloud. It allows backup of various file types, including music, documents, messages, and photos, with a built-in passcode for security, and up to 10 gigabytes of free storage. 2.9 Helium. Helium is a highly regarded backup app for Samsung phones, allowing users to save files to an SD card or cloud and sync data from multiple Android devices without requiring root access.